Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Precious here. Hello. I am so excited for this video today because I am going to be sharing how I am growing my small account, my $100 account. Should be in case you have a $100 account you are growing with me, or $50 account, it doesn't matter, or $500 account. If you have a small account you are growing, I want you to watch this video to the end. I'm going to be sharing all the tips I'm using to grow my $100 account to $10,000 at the end of this year. You guys, I started this account. I started trading with $66 on this account. Let me quickly show you guys. So it has been amazing. So earlier this year, right, I told you guys I am growing a small account from $100 to $10,000 at the end of this year, and it has been awesome. And I also promised to share the journey with you guys, so that is what I'm doing now. So just quickly want to share with you guys, so you guys know I'm very serious with this challenge. So you can see this is the account. I started trading with $66 and then I grew it to $106, and I decided to start growing the account from $100 to $10,000. So one of the key tips I'm using to grow this account is adjusting my stop loss when I'm in the trade. It has been very helpful. And also another tip again is I love to take just help ability setups with this account. That does not mean I don't have losses. I do have losses, but it's helped me maximize my profits. And also when I first started trading with this account, I was trading with 0.01. As the account grows, I started increasing my risk amounts. So I started using 0.1, 0.2 as the account grows. And also I always add to my winning positions. So let me show you guys. I was in a trade the other day I was trading BTC. So you guys can see I always add to my winning positions. When I'm in a trade and the trade is doing very well, I add to my position. So I'm kind of like scalping here, but you can see all the profits. These are the tips I'm using to grow this account, and it has been so profitable so far. In case you want to apply it to your own account, you are more than welcome. And if you have questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And please, if you are growing your accounts, your small accounts, and also I have a playlist dedicated for growing a small account, because that is what this channel is all about: growing a small account, how to pass your profit challenge, and also how to know how to trade on your own. So if that interests you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and most importantly, turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload videos here. And let me show you guys, I was in this short position on US 30, XPX 500, and also NASDAQ 100. I sent it to the group chat, and I sent the signal to the group chat on Saturday. So I'll be leaving the link to the group chat in the description box below, so you can have access to it in case you're interested. Okay, so this is the analysis I did. I sent to the group chat on Saturday. When our position got triggered, I messaged the group chat to let them know. And also, as the trade went, you can see the trade finally hit our take profits, and it has been amazing. It has been an amazing week. So I am in this position today. So this trade is going to determine if my day is going to be profitable today or not. I don't know if it's going to hit my take profit yet, or my stop loss, or I'm going to break even. I'm going to take pressure. I'm as clueless as you are, and I want you to stick to the end, because I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. I'm going to be showing you the chart on TradingView, and we are going to be doing live analysis. I'm going to be showing you how I did my analysis. I'm going to be showing you how I trade, basically, right? So this is the signal I sent to the group chat. The reason why I'm laughing is because it's a long position, right? So we have a very good demand level there, but price is struggling to move up. That is why I'm laughing. So fingers crossed. I don't know what's going to happen here yet. Well, let's see. So we'll go to the charts and then I can show you. Okay guys, so this is how the chart looks. This is I am in this trade. Now explaining this setup to you guys, and also I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your multiple time frame analysis, right? So let's go to daily time frame. So and show you guys what is going on here. You can see the chart for the daily time frame. Taking my chart from now, let's draw out the chart. You can see we have a low here, we have a high here, we have a low here, we have a high here, we have a low, we have a high, and then we have a low here. So you can see how this chart is looking. You can see we have been in an uptrend. This is an uptrend. We have pullback, impulse, and now we are having this massive bearish candle downward. That was from yesterday, right? The market was very bearish yesterday, so it created this really impulsive bearish candle downward. So let's go to 4 hours and see what is going on there as well. So I'm taking this leg now. We have high, low, just on this leg here, and then the same goes for this one as well. And I like to take my entry from 1 hour. So I have a break of structure here, and also I have a break of structure here that I've already marked. I have a break of structure here as well upside, so it shows that I am in a bullish market. And here you can see this is a bullish market. So we recently got a change of character to the downside here. So we recently have a break of structure to the downside here from yesterday. So price came downward yesterday, and price was able to take out our previous low here. So we now have a break of structure here. And this is a break of structure here. So this is my external break of structure. But you can see from here that this is a bullish market. So this is the first break of structure I'm having downward, an external break of structure I'm having downward. So we are safe to call this a change of character. So a trend is confirmed when we have multiple break of structure. So let me show you guys where I took my entry from here. After your multiple time frame analysis, the next thing is to mark out your structure, and the next thing is to identify your order block. The next thing is to mark out your fair value gap or your imbalance, and another most important thing again is your liquidity. So you can see here I took my trade from here. You can see we have a break of structure here. And then this is the last bearish candle before a strong move upward. So I took my trade from here, and then it's still our low. So price likes to target the highs and lows in the market. So just take note of that. Very, very important. So I took my trade from here, and then you can see price is really struggling to go up though. Price is really struggling to go up. So you can see these are imbalance created by impulsive movement of price downward yesterday. So price have to go up through the imbalance, and you can see we have a break of structure here, which we now identify as a change of character. Is going to, you see we have other blocks here. We have this other block, we have this other block. This is a large supply zone, right? So we have this other block, we have this other block here, we have this other block here as well. So price can respect this one. You can see we have internal break of structure as well. You can see here, this is the break of structure. So when we say we have structure in structure, we have internal break of structure here, we have external here. I'm going to be showing you guys the outcome of this trade. I promise I'll show you guys the outcome of this trade before I end this video, right? So you guys can see a lot of struggle here. The rejection in prices, really serious. So I took my profit from here. You can see this green wick here went up, and then there's rejection again that dropped price downward here. So I took my profit up here. Let me take this out so you guys can see clearly. So you can see price went up here, and then we have this rejection again. From the start of this video, I was telling you guys, I don't know if I'm going to take full TP or break even or take partial profits. You can see now you took partial profits. We have 1:1.52 risks to reward. Fair enough, it's not a losing trade, and I made profit today. So I'm going to be showing you guys my profits now. So you guys can see that I was able to take partial because the trade price was struggling to move upward, and I just took partial from there because we have a change of character downward. This is the profit, 238. I'm going to classify today as a profitable day in my life. At the end of the day, I bagged 238, even though I was expecting more than this, but okay. It's fine, it's cool. This is just basically it. You just need to learn, then you start earning. And I have a playlist dedicated for beginners. If you are willing to learn trading and make yourself profitable and be financially free, please check my channel. I have a playlist dedicated for beginners. It's a step-by-step videos there. Please watch and then learn, and practice make perfect. With time, you'll become profitable as well. And also, for you guys messaging me about one-on-one mentorship session, I have slot for just 2 students this month. Please, just 2 students. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please subscribe to my channel, especially if you are trying to grow a small account, or you are trying to pass a profit challenge, or you are a beginner and you are trying to learn how to trade. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and I promise to respond to all your questions. And also on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload videos here. And stay profitable and stay happy. See you in my next video. Bye.